Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about polar coordinates. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about polar coordinates in here. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and we know that dy dx equals to r dr d theta. Now the next one, we have x squared plus y squared. We know that x and y, that is about this one. So we need to transform x and y into r cosine theta and r sine theta. So if we simplify and we have like this, so we can do about factorization by r square. This one equals to number 1, and we can get r square. The next one, that is about the bounds. So we can see that dy, so y between negative of the square root of 9 minus s squared and number 0. So we need to consider about this one. Now we put the power number 2 for the both sides. So this one we have 9 minus s squared equals to y squared. So I will put this one go to the right. So we have number 9 equals to s squared plus y squared. So in this situation, this one, that is about the centers of the radius of the circle, and that's about r squared. So we can find r equals to the square root of number 9, and we have number 3. Now we need to draw the circle with the center 0, 0, form this one. So we have number 3, negative number 3, positive number 3, and negative number 3. So we can see that dy y between negative of the square root of 9 minus s squared, negative, that is about this one. Y equals to number 0, that is about this one. So we just have only this area in here. But dx between negative number 3 and number 0. So negative number 3 in here to number 0 in here of s. That means that just concentrate about this area. And now we need to change the bounds. So this one we change for r square. So we have the square root of r square. Dy dx, we need to change for r dr d theta. Now about the r, that is about the radius of the circle. So from 0 to number 3, d theta, so they start in here. So we know that this one, that should be about b. When they go in here, that is about 3b over number 2. So we just follow about the circle of trigonometry. That's why we have b and 3b over number 2. So that should be about b in here. This one should be about 3b over number 2. Now we need to simplify. So this one, we have r over 1 plus r dr d theta. So to calculate about this one, we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. So 1 plus r divided by 1 plus r, we have number 1 minus number 1 over 1 plus r dr d theta. The integration of number 1, that is about r. This one, we have Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus r. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 3. So I will put number 3 gone here, number 0 gone here. And we have number 3 minus Ln number 4 minus number 0 minus Ln number 1. So this one, you got number 0 because Ln number 1, we have number 0. So this one, we just have only number 3 minus Ln number 4. So we have the final answer. And now we have the final that is about b over 2 number 3 minus Ln number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.